Being a teenager in 2025 is wild. You've got school, social media, parents still telling you to focus on your books, and oh yeah, everything costs money. But guess what? You don't have to wait till you're 25 to start making real cash. This isn't another start $1 million company talk. This is real, practical stuff teens can actually do right now to make money fast. First up, reselling sneakers and clothes. Hype culture is alive and well. Buy trendy sneakers, limited edition tees, or thrifted vintage pieces, then flip them for a profit online. Depop, Grailed, and even Instagram make this stupid easy. Second, TikTok UGC content. Brands want videos from real, normal people. You don't need a big following, just create fun short videos reviewing or showing off products. Companies are paying teens hundreds for 10-second clips. Third, freelance gig work. Teens are making bank editing TikToks, designing logos, or writing captions for small businesses. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork are full of clients who don't care how old you are if your work is good. Number 4, selling digital products. Got decent notes for school? Turn them into study guides. Good at organization? Create Notion templates. Sell them on Etsy. One file equals unlimited sales. Fifth, pet sitting or dog walking. Yeah, it's basic, but it pays. Parents trust responsible teens with their pets way more than random adults. Apps like Rover exist, but even a local flyer or Instagram post works. Sixth, gaming. No, not just playing Fortnite for fun. Streaming on Twitch or creating YouTube gaming content is a legit side hustle. If you're good or funny, people will watch. And advertisers will pay. Seventh, flipping free stuff. Teens are getting bikes, furniture, and gadgets for free on Facebook Marketplace, fixing them up and reselling for a profit. All it takes is a phone and some hustle. Eighth, selling handmade items. Jewelry, candles, stickers. TikTok loves homemade products. The algorithm can blow up your shop overnight if you post satisfying videos of you making stuff. Ninth, print on demand. Upload designs or funny phrases to Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. The platform handles shipping and printing. Your only job? Making designs that slap. 10th, babysitting. It's still undefeated. Parents need a break and they'll happily pay you for it. The more reliable and trustworthy you are, the more they'll recommend you. But wait, let's get digital. Teens are crushing affiliate marketing on TikTok. Create accounts around trends, gadgets, or niche topics and drop affiliate links in your bio. No products, no shipping, just commission. Another powerful one? Social media management for small businesses. Teens know trends better than most 40-year-olds. Offer to run Instagram or TikTok pages for local shops. Charge monthly. Easy bag. If you've got a phone and some editing skills, content repurposing is booming. Businesses have long YouTube videos but want short TikToks. You can chop, caption, and send them back for cash. Tutoring younger kids is still a moneymaker. Parents will gladly pay $15 to $25 per hour for a teen who can help with math, reading, or SAT prep. Selling digital art commissions is another big one. Artists are getting paid for custom profile pictures, banners, and stickers online. Teens with iPads and Procreate are making hundreds. Cleaning gigs aren't glamorous, but they pay. Some teens clean cars, organize closets, or help with yard work, and word of mouth spreads fast. Don't forget AI-powered hustles. Teens are making ebooks, logos, or even YouTube scripts for businesses using AI tools. Sell the final product. Clients don't care how you made it. And for the bold ones? Starting a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face. Just create videos using stock clips, AI voiceovers, or your own voice. Pick a niche, stay consistent, and ad revenue will follow. If you're into tech, repairing cracked screens and old laptops can be a goldmine. Buy cheap parts, watch YouTube tutorials, and charge classmates for fixes. Here's the thing. Teens in 2025 have access to insane tools, AI, social platforms, marketplaces. The only difference between broke teens and rich ones? The rich ones actually start. You don't need permission. You don't need $1,000 upfront. You just need Wi-Fi, time, and patience. Even small wins matter. Your first $10 online hits different. Your first $100 makes you believe it's real. And your first $1,000? That's the point you never go back. But none of these work if you just binge watch videos about side hustles without trying one. Pick one. Give it 30 days. Stick with it. Your competition? They'll give up after a week. You'll win because you didn't. It's not about being a millionaire in high school. It's about building skills, discipline, and proof that you can make money on your own. And once you see it's possible, your entire mindset changes. Money stops being this mystical thing only adults can make. So pick a hustle, get started, and stop waiting. 2025 isn't slowing down for anyone. Which hustle are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe if you want real, no BS ways to make money online.